Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Paradigm Superstar by Paradigm Realty located in Bandra West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this video, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. We will be getting into all details of this project and will also show you the actual land parcel. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And this over here is the actual land parcel of the project where you can see the construction has started. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.3 acre that will have one tower of 3 basement, ground, 4 podium plus 19 residential floors having 4 BHK residences. And now speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located bang on Carter's Road, Bandra West, Mumbai, from where Linking Road is only at a distance of 5 minutes, SV Road is at a distance of 5 minutes, Western Express Highway is at a distance of 10 minutes. Also, you have BKC only at a distance of 10 minutes from the project. And now, talking about the amenities, this project has swimming pool, gym, yoga zone, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. Speaking of configurations and carpet areas, as said, this project has 4 BHK residences within the carpet area of 1800 to 2400 square feet. And now let's talk about the booking process. The booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Paradigm Superstar by Paradigm Realty located in Bandra West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.